So this is a very raw and sincere video. I just want to talk about very few things that might help some people. So day before yesterday, I got a message from this girl. She came to my DM, or this lady came to my DM, and she was like, okay, I should please help her, teach her about affiliate marketing and marketing, I guess. So I asked her what is it that she doesn't understand about affiliate marketing, because the thing is, people don't understand that whatsoever you want to learn has like a knowledge gap, right? So you might just get informations, maybe scattered informations from wheresoever on the internet. Then you now picking interest because you now see maybe people that are presenting this model, the business model or whatsoever, have kind of amplified it and made it look very easy to do. So she was now inquiring like I should teach her affiliate marketing. So I asked her what is it that she doesn't know, or what is it that she wants to find out. She now said, okay, she wrote a book and she wants to like market the book, but she doesn't have funds. She wants to just start affiliate market so that she can get funds and stuff. So I now booked a call with her, and we now had a call. We had like conversations. I asked her a couple of questions to know where she stands, like what she knows so far, and how I can help her, right? So she told me and also she sews for like kids, like clothes for children, and for ladies also, for women, female clothes, right? Female designer or tailor, don't know. So we now finished discussion, and then I now asked her, have she like introduced this book that she wrote to her customers? And she said no. Right now, I really want you watching this video to understand something. This is my rule for my students, and this is my own personal rule for marketing, or yes, when it comes to finances, right? To make money in general, to make money, right? See, this is the rule. This is how it goes. It is none of your business, right, to care whether people will buy your product or services, but it is all of your business to introduce it to them. So don't care whether I am going to buy your product or service. It's none of your business. Introduce the product or service to me. Do you know what that does? Now, what that does is that it opens up room, right, for you to learn about your product, right? So now let's say you introduce a product to me and I say, I don't like the product. You can ask me question. You can ask me, why don't you like the product? You see? Now I might say, it's because I don't need the product. Then you can now still ask me, okay, you don't need the product, but how, like, why don't you need the product? Is that you don't want it, or it's not fine? Then I will not say, okay, it's because the product is not this, it's not that. Now, do you know what you're doing? You're getting data, right, to suit the product, so that next time when you introduce it to me, I'm more likely to buy it, right? So if you don't introduce your product out there, you're not going to get data and information, right, that people are going to tell you that they are not interested, right? So you now know, okay, because let me tell you something about how statistics work when it comes to like business, the business world. Now the business world is a game of numbers, right? It's a game of statistics, it's a game of numbers. You don't assume in the business world. You don't just say, I'm going to make a product and these people are going to buy it just because they said, yeah, they like this. Like, you need data, right? You need data. You need to understand whether these people are going to buy this product or not, and how it's going to solve their problems, right? So now in the statistics of business, it's not possible for you to introduce a product to at least 100 people and you tell me that nobody's going to buy, no matter how whack or how like unexperienced you are in marketing, right, or persuasion. Like, if you introduce your product to like 100 people that at least know you for some time, right, at least, even strangers, right, at least, depending on the price, right, of the product and the capacity of the people that are seeing your product, it's not possible for, out of 100 people, one person don't buy. Like, it is not feasibly possible, right? There's tendency for it to happen, but it rarely happens. Like, except you're focusing on completely wrong people, parallel people, and even at that, it hardly, like, one person can buy it. There's a possibility, right? And even if no one buys it, then if you extra do certain things, like to, let's say, maybe look for information why these people didn't buy it, then you can get data to like work on, right, so that you can now make the product better, right, and then work on like persuasion skills next time. So the whole purpose of this video is just to encourage you that if you have a product, right, and service, stop hindering people from seeing it. Like, stop assuming that people are not going to be interested in it. Stop worrying about the prices, because she was worried about the prices. I asked her how much is the book that she's offering. She said it was 2,000 naira. I said, why is it 2,000 naira? It's kind of low, but I said there's no problem. She's still learning. So I advise her to like start to render the service since she's already have a book, a proof, because that's a proof that she knows what she's doing. She start to render service of helping people how to write books, and her services should be way expensive than the book itself, right? So all I'm trying to tell you is that when you have a product or service, right, present it to people. Present your product or service to people. Stop worrying whether people are going to buy it or not. It's none of your business. Just present that product or services to people, right? Keep on presenting to people. Come online, like post about it on your WhatsApp. Some people don't even post about their business on WhatsApp or on social media. Like, I don't know what you're doing, right? Like, all these big brands always put ads to your face, right? They don't care about you. That's what I'm saying. They don't care whether you buy it or not, whether you download their apps or not. They send it to you, right? So one way or the other, you see that maybe one day, one time, you don't know how you might just need it. Then you download the app or you buy the product or render this or get the service rendered to you, right? So I want you to take this. Always introduce your product or service, right? Then if you start to do that, then you now learn the act of, okay, proper introduction, proper persuasion, right? Proper storytelling. This is what you learn. You can come online and learn all of these things. Stop like hiding your product or services and then not introducing to people. Like, introduce whatsoever product or services you have, whatsoever. I don't care what product or service you have. Introduce it to people online. Take advantage of this online medium to introduce the product or services to people, right? Good. That's just the thing. I was just staying on my own, and I just saw I made a sale, right? I was just staying on my own and I made a sale, and it's not possible for me to make this sale if I've never introduced my product or services to people. So you can see I was just staying on my own and I just saw like you've made a sale, right? Good. So that's what I'm saying. If I never introduce this product to people online, right, there's no how this person is going to buy my product, or the people that are buying my products are going to buy my products, right? And also, if you don't have a product, right, you can like affiliate for the G4G affiliate marketing products, right? You can affiliate for that. There's a lot of videos on my channel to teach you how to affiliate, like how to like affiliate a product. So you can just text me right now under the link under the description of this video. Like, text me, and then just chat me up on my WhatsApp, and then just like express yourself. Tell me how you intend to like promote this product, and then you're going to get 50% commission from all of the like products on the G4G affiliate marketing program, right? So if that is what you're interested in, DM, click the link on the description of this video, and then you can DM. So go introduce your product or services to people online, right? Introduce it to people online. People are looking forward to buy your product or service online. Just keep on introducing it to them online. If you got value from this video, subscribe to the channel, like this video, right? Like this video and share with people that might need it. 5 friends, share with 5 of your friends that might need this advice, right, to help them, right?